everyone, and welcome back to Akshata's Recipes. Thank you so much for being here today. So today I'm going to be showing you this lovely mango jam, which is Alphonso mangoes jam, which is called Mangada or also Muramba in Marathi and Mangada in Konkani. So it's the same process and it has only two ingredients. So let's make this lovely jam. I've also applied some to my bread and I'm going to enjoy it while you watch the recipe. But meet me at the end of the video because I have very important tips if you want to get the perfect Alphonso mango jam. So watch the video till the end and now watch the recipe. Wasn't that really easy? Just 2 ingredients. Now, certain points that you need to keep in mind for this recipe. First is that use mangoes which have just ripened and which are really sweet. Don't use very overripe mangoes, or sometimes when a mango turns a little black on the top, don't use those mangoes. Use firm, fresh mangoes. I'll just show you. So don't use mangoes like this. Sometimes you might feel like, okay, I want to use this. The best way to use this is to make some amras out of this mango, but don't use mangoes like this. Goes like this. A proper Alphonso mango without any spots, clear, no green, just light orange and nice and firm to the touch. And you've seen when I cut the mango also you saw how nice and clear it was. There were no white spots. So be very careful about these small little points. Also ensure that there's not a drop of water in this recipe. So even your pot which you're going to make it in, try to use a non-stick pot because it makes a lot of sense. Otherwise, it gets stuck to the bottom and it's very difficult to scrape. Here you can see everything came out of the pot. So ensure that your pot is completely dry, that no water goes into the mixture when you're making it. Keep your hands dry, and most importantly, the container in which you're going to keep it. Try to use glass or steel. Don't use plastic as far as possible. You can use a steel container, you can use a ceramic container, you can use a glass container, but ensure that your container is clean and dry. Try to sun dry it for 2-3 days also, especially for pickles, jams. That way you have a longer shelf life. Now this mango jam which I've made, or this Mangada or Muramba, can last for up to 1.5 years in the refrigerator. Ensure that you use a nice clean dry spoon and follow the procedure like I showed you. It takes 25 minutes, 2 ingredients, and you're all set. So if you like today's video, you know what you have to do. Give this video a big thumbs up. I need those thumbs ups for me to keep going on YouTube. Also subscribe to my channel. I do need my subscriber count to go up too. And once you have subscribed, click the notification bell, click on all, that way whenever I put up a new recipe, you get a message for the same. So thank you so much for watching my videos and supporting Akshata's recipes with an apostrophe S. Go and check out all my other recipes. You can go to my home page and there you will find a playlist. Click on that, you'll have all different categories and you can go and click the category of your choice. Also, if you're looking for a particular recipe, type the recipe and type Akshata's recipes with an apostrophe S and my recipe will come. So guys, thank you again and take care of yourselves. Stay healthy, stay fit, be loving and kind to one another, and I'll catch you soon with my next recipe, sooner than you think. Take care guys. Bye.